Hi, Kaylin. This is Sister Furman.
Hi, Kayleen.
I have improv on Thursday, Zedanga.
Oh, man. I missed you.
The 2nd of July is okay with me.
I am free all day, so if you want to call me back whenever you can, I am up for it.
Are you coming today?
I heard my phone. I think you called me. But anyway, I had to find my phone.
That's really funny. I would be so mad because that means all the times that I have to wait.
When I'm in improv.
I see. I could have just called Dad.
Anyways, I'm glad that
if you want to absolutely hate your life,
that.
you could fix the printer.
Over here, it's
please.
bright and sunny.
I have physical therapy that morning.
Some
printer
wind.
people
from
Watch the wind in the morning, though. It's getting
and no one wants to
I
do
would like to
it.
know about what time. So I'll plan on writing down at 2 o'clock.
That's really funny.
I only get
I'm sick, and so I might have to
enjoy yourself
use
if
a
you
movie.
like.
Okay, anyway.
I love you.
Love you.
Love you. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.